everybody. You are looking at the Berkeley Machinery Comet Sprint 450 fully automatic flexographic label printing machine, and how quickly we can change the anilox rollers and print cylinders. So you can see it's a quick change system. He's removing this anilox roller and putting on to station number 7, removing the doctor blade assembly and parking it on station number 4. The ink tray comes out, and now we will prepare unit number 4. You can see and the plate cylinder goes back, and as you can see from my clock, it takes 1 minute 30 seconds. And now we will start again with unit number 6, sorry. Unlocking with a push of a button, removing the doctor blade, putting on to the next unit, anilox can be parked on any available station. Normally we have a trolley where you can also park all the tooling. Ready. 2 units have been prepared in less than 2.5 minutes. Thank you very much, Mr. Arun. It was a very nice presentation. Thank you very much.